A fat cat and a tiger were roaming the streets. One day, two gangster monkeys came in a caged vehicle and took the tiger away, locking it in the cage. The cat immediately called the panda and told him everything. The panda arrived on a motorcycle, the cat drove, and the panda sat in the back. Both had guns. They went straight to the monkey's hideout, where the tiger was imprisoned. The cat shot one monkey, and the panda shot the other. They freed their friend the tiger. Then they all happily went to a place where chairs and a table were already set up, and they sat down to eat. It was such a story of friendship and bravery that listeners would always remember.